Hey there! Have you ever wondered what makes beetroot the ultimate superfood? Stick around because I'm about to share some amazing benefits of this humble root vegetable that you absolutely need to know. First up, let's talk about blood pressure. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in your body. This helps relax and widen your blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Athletes, listen up. Beetroot juice is like a natural performance enhancer. It boosts endurance, reduces oxygen consumption, and helps improve exercise performance by increasing nitric oxide production. Time to level up your workouts. But that's not all. Beetroot is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its betalains. These compounds combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting you from chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Speaking of cancer, those same betalains have shown anti-cancer properties. They can inhibit cancer cell proliferation and even induce apoptosis. Basically, they help kill off those nasty cancer cells. Your heart will also thank you for eating beetroot. It's rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, which all help maintain healthy blood lipid profiles, blood pressure, and overall cardiovascular function. Love your heart, love beetroot. Got digestive issues? Beetroot is your friend. It's loaded with dietary fiber that promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Happy gut, happy you. For those battling diabetes, beetroot's antioxidants and fiber may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. It could be a great addition to your diet if you're managing type 2 diabetes. And let's not forget your brain. The antioxidants and nitrates in beetroot may help protect against age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Keep your mind sharp with beetroot. Want glowing skin and luscious hair? Beetroot's got you covered. Its antioxidants and vitamins A and C protect your skin from sun damage, improve skin elasticity, and promote healthy hair growth. Get that natural glow. Plus, beetroot supports detoxification. Its fiber and antioxidants help your body remove toxins and heavy metals, keeping you feeling fresh and clean from the inside out. Now, how can you incorporate beetroot into your diet? Simple. Eat it raw or cooked as a side dish. Add it to salads, soups, and stews, or drink beetroot juice. You can even use beetroot powder in smoothies and energy bars. Roast it, or pickle it for a delicious snack. Just remember, moderation is key. Beetroot is high in oxalates, which might not be great for those with kidney stone issues. But overall, it's a nutritious and versatile food that adds a pop of color and a ton of health benefits to your meals. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and make beetroot a part of your balanced diet today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and superfood secrets. See you next time.